jump.
We jump. This is good. This is good. Have you got a fire yet?
I can't see if I do.
Okay, you should be able to poke your head around the corner.
Oh yeah, I can see it.
Oh, I've got a fire.
No.
I've got a fire. I've got a fire.
Okay.
Okay.
Mine's still good at the moment.
You're welcome to jump on my piston thing if you need to. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Jump.
Still no fire.
You did the fire already?
Oh, so he's putting... I see what's going on. Okay.
It needs something. Why is my jump not jumping? Uh-oh. Oh no.
Oh, I've got fire.
Something's gone wrong, Joel. My jump won't jump.
It's because you've got fire, maybe? I don't know.
I don't know. You trying to get break my string, did I? Okay, works.
It's all good. I'm jumping.
Oh no! Oh, I'm on fire.
Oh gosh, how have you got on fire?
It's just a hazard of the jump. Okay, more fire. Ah. You're all good. Jump on my piston for me.
Okay, alright, yeah, sure.
Okay, we'll do a switcheroo.
Okay, I'm back on.
No fire over here still. This is good.
Yeah, my side was fine. I think it's your side was the problem, to be honest.
Okay, you got fire over there? I heard crackling.
Oh, I do. Oh, I should have...
Run, jump, run! Oh no, I'm
on fire again. Okay, there you go. I'll jump.
I'm gonna die, Joel. Okay,
what?
I was on fire. Okay,
yeah, well, use the water on yourself.
Let me eat.
I should really keep switching pistons. It's not that much going on, but for some reason my brain's being fried.
Just like the chicken. Okay,
yeah.
we're doing good.
Chicken run. Are you 3?
Yeah, I know, we're bad.
It's slow.
We're bad chefs. Oh, fire.
Fire again. I'm on your piston.
Okay, this is good teamwork. Oh, you've got fire too, though.
Okay, well, there's fire on there.
Get rid of it, punch it out.
Okay, oh gosh, there's fire. Oh my god, it's heating up.
It's everywhere.
Oh, I've fallen off. Okay, right, there we go.
You're all good.
Yeah, nice.
Oh,
Fire, I'll get some water.
We're cooking now. Fetch the engines.
This is not what cooking's like in real life. Oh my gosh, there was an explosion.
We died.
That's it.
That was it. The fire got too hot and the thing exploded. How did we do? 5 chicken. Okay.